Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me today. If you have ever wanted to make your Microsoft Word documents look more professional by adding page numbers, this video is for you. I will show you how to insert page numbers. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. After your document opens, look at the top of the window and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Next, find and click the Page Number button. A menu will appear with several placement options. You can choose top of page if you want the page number to appear in the header. You can select bottom of page if you prefer the page number in the footer. You can also choose page margins to place the number along the side margins of the page. Another option is current position, which inserts the page number wherever your cursor is currently located. Then, browse through the available page number styles. Microsoft Word offers many built-in designs, including simple numbers, bold formats, and decorative layouts. Click the style you like best, and Word will automatically add page numbers throughout your document. Finally, when you are happy with the result, click Close Header and Footer to return to your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.